So initially we were not rushing, we were just thinking about moving. And so the fact that she was really patient, she really was with us on our timeline. Donna just seemed to match our hope to get into a home at a certain time.
We searched with Donna for how much time was it? It was maybe 2 years.
2 years,
So, we got to know Donna really well. We looked at, my recollection is probably dozens of homes, and Donna really, stuck with us through thick and thin. I'm not sure when Donna sleeps, but, oftentimes we'd be texting and, emailing and, jumping on phone calls.
We trusted her experience. We trusted that she was very responsive. I mean, all of that just made the experience, particularly good.
Donna told us there were 19 bids there, and some people were putting bids in sight unseen. Really wasn't a given that our offer would be accepted, and so Donna, within her power, did everything to help us strategize and finesse situations as much as we could. Remember getting a call from Donna and really just being kind of slack-jawed and said, you guys got the place. I think if we'd been working with another broker, I don't think that we would have had the outcome.